What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Mercedes Quick Tips. Now in my 5 tips and tricks with your Mercedes key video, I talked about how you can remove the small key and then get into the car. But how do you start the car if you have a completely dead key fob? Stay tuned and find out. So if you guys haven't seen my other video, I'll just show you. So what you need to do is, there's a little button here behind on the key. If you press that and then pull, you get this key, which is your skeleton key. Now you can use this key to open up the car from the outside, but how do you start the car up? Okay, so once you're in your car, go down to your center console here. Press down to open up this part. Then if you look closely in here, you'll see there's actually a picture of the Mercedes key. All you need to do is pop your key down here. It doesn't matter if the key is completely dead, it's still going to work. Then hold down the brake pedal and then press the start button. So there we have it guys, that's how you start up your Mercedes with a dead key fob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up because it really helps me and the channel out. It helps YouTube recommend this video to more people so more people can learn this tip. It's also great for the channel too, of course, so I really appreciate all the support. And if you want to see more tips with the Mercedes and more great content on this car, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.